And I'm going hard while these niggas is talking time ticking. I ain't got time, I be hooping like a bad boy piston. Not Isaiah Thomas, but my mind is going real fine like phonics. And I hope you get to read it later. Why they hating on me? I think I'm the paper savior or the rap hater. Never, I could never be no hater, boy. Cause my flow is better and my cheddar gonna be better than a lot of dudes. I paid a lot of dudes to a lot of rotten dudes. But shit, this is what you gotta do. Coming up in the nitty grit where I'm from, nigga. Chiraq, you can get your mind blown back if you talk crazy, nigga, like you on that. Please don't be on that with them niggas who strap, but it's a lot of niggas who be fly shit too. Don't let them trick you. Some places it is sweet to pack your heat, but don't pack your heat around my niggas' seat. They be shooting all types of guns for me and my other niggas too, who all trying to do shit in this rap game and brew. Fuck what you do. My mind is like 2 times faster, quicker than you. Ooh. The young nigga going hard, Brazilian bitches I'm tryna fuck with. I don't give a fuck about none of the shit that you talking. I'm on it. I'm freestyling, I'm wildin' and freestyling some more. I'm wildin' some more, I'm taking your hoe. I don't know, I think it's about the paper, the dope. Cause if it's not, then what the fuck we all doing this for? What's the point of life? Can you tell me that? Cause I know that, and it's not stay strapped. Well, it's not how it's supposed to be. Everything goes bad when you think you know what you're doing, G. And you thinking it's good. Fuck the hood. This about you. Cause this the hood gon' save you. When you gotta do you. What if you get sentenced? Now your life in prison. You don't even give a fuck, but you're thinking about the children. If you mind. If you mind. If you mind, can you change your views, young niggas? Can we just do something cool, young niggas? We already do what we do, young niggas. Let's fuck up the rap game and kill all these niggas. This is what the old heads want me to say. This is not the same day that you grew up in, nigga. It's much different than that. It's much deeper than that. Cause now shorty's a strap. Fuck all that bullying shit and fighting shit. Now it's gun being bust. Now they busting back. It's not just y'all, but y'all gave us the okay to pull and kill dogs and kill niggas and kill bitches. This is all what it is involved in the city that I'm in the city where I'm from. And nigga, you ain't shit if you ain't got no fucking gun. If you talking like you want one, don't be on none, son. You gonna learn the hard way. Used to fuck bitches in the hallway in broad day. Broadway, parlay with a bunch of real niggas. Also viewed a bunch of fuck niggas. Fuck all y'all nigga head hitters. That's my crew and all my niggas spittin' killin'. Money bag landed, bitch the villain. They hating on me. Fuck it, I'll let the flow kill 'em.